Yeah, that's where you blow.
Fan. Hi. You want to tell me why you're crying? Why wouldn't I let you go with Kansas? Because you didn't have your shoes on when she was ready to go, right? Right?
Yeah.
And this is the reaction we've had for the last 3 minutes? Okay, I'm just checking. Hey, does this accomplish anything? Does it make you feel better?
No.
Then why do it? Huh? And again, why wouldn't I let you go? And whose fault is that?
Mine.
So who are you mad at?
You.
Why? Why are you mad at me? And why wouldn't I let you go? And whose fault was that?
Mine.
So why are you mad at me? I didn't let you go with Kansas because you didn't have your shoes on because it was your fault, and you're mad at me because it's your fault? Do you love me?
Yeah.
You know I love you. Right? And you know the only reason I didn't let you go with Kansas, look up here, the only reason I didn't let you go with Kansas is because you didn't have your shoes on and it would have hurt your feet, right? Right? Speak up.
Yeah.
Alright, so who should you be mad at?
You.
That's who you should be mad at? So I should have just let you go hurt your feet?
No. My stuff.
Now why are you crying?
Now.
Why? You want to be by yourself? Hey, Emmy. Does this help?
No.
Does it make you feel better?
No.
Alright. Just figured I'd check.